Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and I was asked to make a quick tutorial, and this is really going to be quick, on using hashtags in YouTube and what they're for. So, a hashtag is, let's see, when you use a hashtag and then a word after it. And what that does is it makes it searchable. So by searchable, I mean when you put in the search, let's say I loved Boy George, we'll put in hashtag Boy George. And every video with this hashtag in it will show up. Now, I'm hoping that I didn't try this ahead of time, so I hope nothing bad shows up. Okay, so you can see all the Boy George videos have shown up. And these are all videos that use the hashtag in the video name or down in the bottom of the video. And you'll see that in just a minute, and I'll show you how that works. Now, to create a hashtag, let's see, how do I want to do this? In my description, in my video, this is what I'm going to type in. All right, this is going to be my title, but I put it in here anyway because I create a template for each video series, and then I fill it in as needed or edit it. I can't say that. Change it as needed. And so in the title of every video, this is going to be the title, September Daily with Miss Paintelette, hashtag September Daily 2021. There must be a space in between. The hashtag has to be separate, and it has to be all one word. So it's got to be hashtag and as many words as you want, but they have to be typed in as all one word. The hashtag is going to show up in all lowercase on YouTube, or a lot of times in the searches. However, or if you do, this works in Facebook as well. You can type in your hashtags. Trying to think. Yeah, when you type the hashtags in, I'll show you in just a second. Let me just show you. All right, so you can see that I've typed in the title so that I can copy and paste it in the top of my video description, and I'll show you that in a second too. Then I've typed in my default information. Now, if you look at the bottom, right across here, there's more hashtags. These will be at the bottom of my description, and the hashtags I'm using here are hashtag Sweet Pea Papers, all one word, and that's because that's my channel. Hashtag Junk Journal, because that's a very popular hashtag. Hashtag September Daily 2021. Well, also that Junk Journal is related to what I do. Hashtag Tutorials. Hashtag Junk Journals, plural, singular, plural. Hashtag Junk Journal Tutorials. Okay, that's all I've got on this one. Some of them I have more, some that I have less. Now, you want to put the most important hashtags as the first three, because these three are going to show up under the title of your YouTube video when people see it. All right, so now let's go to YouTube again so that I can help you out by showing you all of this information at work. Okay, so now here's the video details for the video that I just uploaded today, which is the September Daily with Miss Paintelette, Day 1, hashtag September Daily 2021. Now, there's our hashtag in the title. Then here's the description that I just showed you. It's a little bit different because the description I just showed you is the one that I copy and paste when I'm posting the link in the description to this video in Facebook. So it's going to have the URL, which is this right here, the video link, in the description. So of course it's not over here. Now if you scroll down, you'll notice that the hashtags are in here at the bottom. Of course, I have my picture that's the preview. I have my playlist that I want it to show up in. Those are just side notes. Okay, so now if you look at this on YouTube, okay, you see this is clickable. And if you show more, all of these are clickable down here as well. Okay, so now let's say I click on Junk Journal. Then all of the hashtags with Junk Journal in them are going to show up. All the YouTube videos with the hashtag Junk Journal. You can look through here probably for the rest of your life to find all of the tutorials with Junk Journal in them. Okay, so the basic premise is that it helps your channel or your video get seen when people do searches. The other thing is when you're doing a collaboration or you're doing a group project or you want to be included in a group project, then because a lot of people run group projects where they just say use the hashtag whatever it is for that not collaboration, but challenge. And if you use that, then you come up in the search for that challenge. Okay, so the main points are use it in your title, use it in your description if you like, use it down here definitely, all right, because it becomes clickable and people see the link, all right, and then you want to use it when you post on Facebook if the Facebook group will let you. Some will not, most will not. If you have your own group, then definitely use it, and I'll show you why. Let's see, let me go to mine. I was doing some posting like a good person should. Okay, now if you go over here to where it says topics, and go up here to topics. Oh, it's going to be, I'm sorry, I'm the admin, so this is going to look different. If you click on topics, it'll show all the hashtags that are listed on the site. And then you can click on them and go to the topic with that hashtag. So you'll notice in the discussion on my first post here, in the text on the post, I've used the hashtag. That will make it show up when people click on the topics. Okay? And this is because Kyung is in the group. And yeah, so I pinned her name in there. Okay, so those are the basics of hashtags. That's all you really need to know. And if there's anything else you need, just email me at sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you have video requests, also send them to the same place. Okay, this is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and I'll see you in the next video. And that will be just a second for you, but a day for me. Bye-bye.